Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm here to help you level up your marketing. If you're a business owner, a content creator, or you simply want to learn marketing, this channel is for you. In this video, we will learn what are the must-have components each of your marketing emails must contain to increase their effectiveness. As a business owner, you might be sending out different email campaigns, newsletters, relationship building emails, product or service promotional emails. And all these emails have something in common. These are the 7 fundamental and highly important components. By using these components, you will not only improve your overall email performance, but you will also delight your email recipients. So if you want to learn what are those must-have 7 components, then grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The first component is an enticing subject line. There is one major reason why you have to use an enticing subject line and preview text in all your emails. The subject line you use will highly influence the performance of your email, more specifically the open rate. Open rate represents the percentage of people who have opened your email. Open rate is calculated by taking the number of total opens, dividing it by the number of emails that have been delivered, and multiplied by 100. And as we all know, one of the most important objectives in email marketing is to have a high open rate. As we know, email marketing is a very cost-effective way to sell and connect to your audience, but this also means that you're competing with many more businesses in your audience's inbox. And if your email subject line is not enticing or relevant to your audience, you will miss out on that opportunity to connect or sell to your audience. So by using an enticing subject line, you will motivate your audience to open that email, and you will also increase your chances of your audience reading your carefully put together email. Component number 2 is a recognizable sender name. Your email sender name can also influence the open rate of your email. If you use a familiar sender name, you increase your chances of your emails being opened because your audience is familiar with you or your business. If your email recipients are fans of your newsletter and they regularly open and read your newsletters, then they won't even bother reading your subject line. They will only be looking for your name or your company's name in their inbox to get to that newsletter. So make sure to build up a reputation of being the company that sends out relevant and engaging emails to their audience. And by this, you will increase your chances of being noticed in their inbox simply by your sender name. The third component is a clear hierarchy. Do you ever open an email and your eyes don't know where to look because there is no clear hierarchy in that email? This is why you need to display your email content in a concise and clear way. You want to guide your reader's eyes intuitively through the email straight to the call to action button. Let's discuss what can help you create that clear hierarchy in your emails. The number 1 principle when it comes to creating email layouts is the KISS principle, which stands for Keep It Simple, Stupid. And another principle that I like is less is more. Basically, in my opinion, the 7 components that we are discussing in this video are vital for any email, and you don't really need anything else in your emails. I would advise you to take these 7 components and consider how can you incorporate them in your regularly sent out emails. So after watching this video and after you have learned about all the 7 components, go back and see what type of emails you have sent out recently, if any of them are missing any of the 7 components. And if they do, then maybe you can incorporate one of the components in your future emails and see if the hierarchy of the information that you lay out in your emails improves. The 4th components are an optimized headline and section titles. These components will definitely bring hierarchy and clarity to all your emails. So let's discuss why do you need headlines and section titles in your emails. When was the last time you opened one of your emails in your inbox and you spent a whole minute reading through that email word for word? Obviously, I'm not talking about business-related emails that you're receiving from your colleagues. And compared to that, when was the last time that you opened an email, scanned through the headline, the section title, and could decide for yourself if this email was relevant to you, and then either you took action by clicking on the call to action button or you moved on to the next email? Let me know in the comments below what type of email reader you are. I'm definitely the second type of person. I usually skim through the emails, I read the headline, maybe I also look at the image to know what this email is about, and then I also look at the call to action button to figure out what is the next step the email sender wants me to take. So as disappointing as it might sound, most of your email recipients might just skimming through your email and there will be barely some that will read your email from start to finish. Obviously, it depends on the type of the email. This means you have to make sure that your emails are short, to the point, and scannable. Your copy is the star of the email. This is where you really get a chance to communicate with your email reader one-to-one. But not everyone will have the time to reciprocate your intentions, and they might be looking only for keywords to figure out what is your message about. So to make your reader's life easier, you might want to highlight keywords in longer paragraphs so those keywords can actually make up a whole sentence, summing up the whole paragraph for your reader. I'm sure your email recipients will be eternally grateful for you to considering their busy schedule and highlighting the keywords that they have to know in order to take action on your email. Component number 6 are images and other design assets. We all know that a picture is worth 1,000 words, so don't skip on adding imagery in your emails that can help your readers visualize your message better. Images will help your email readers quickly grasp what your email is about, and overall images are very fun and engaging to look at. For example, if you're talking about your audience's frustrations in your email, but you also provide a solution to their problem, then you might want to add an image that visualizes the transformation for them. If you're talking about your physical or digital product, you can also visualize that product for them in your email so that they know exactly what they're buying into. Or if you're describing different steps or you're adding some statistics to your email, you can also use icons to visualize step 1, 2, 3, or you can also use graphs to visualize those stats. And I have left the best component for last, which is the CTA, also known as the call to action button. In most cases, the reason why you're sending out an email to your audience is to delight them, but also to make them take action. When we talk about taking action, it is not necessarily take action in the form of a purchase. It can also be an action to leave a review on your website, a positive testimonial. You can also ask your audience to watch your weekly YouTube video, or you simply want them to know that you're also present on Instagram and they can also make sure to follow you there for more valuable content. Depending on the goal and the purpose of your email, you must have a call to action button in your email that will reflect that purpose. Recently, I read a book called Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller, and in his book, he mentions that people need to be told what to do next. Even if you think that it is obvious that you're reaching out to your audience with a request to purchase from you, to follow you, to engage with you, they still need to be told what is the exact action you want them to take. So whenever you're creating your emails, make sure to have an irresistible call to action button in your emails. In my next video, I will be talking about the learnings that I collected from reading the book Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't done that yet and hit that notification bell to not miss my next video. If you liked today's video and you learned something new, let me know by hitting the like button. If you want to increase your sales, then make sure to check out this video here, or you can also view this video next. Thank you for your attention and I see you in the next one.